Kashmir, the heaven on earth. Hi, I'm Avneet from Holidayfy, and in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know from how to plan your trip, best places to visit, and must know tips. So, let's dive in. So, the question is, why should you visit Kashmir? Simple. It's got everything you could ever want, from snow adventures and nature treks to relaxing houseboats and cultural experiences. Whether you're a couple or going with a family, Kashmir has something for everyone. Imagine waking up to a bird singing on Dal Lake, skiing in Gulmarg, trekking through Pahalgam, or just sipping on a cup of kawa. Heavenly, right? That's what Kashmir is. Well, for a Kashmir trip, you should plan at least for 4 to 6 days to cover Kashmir's top spots like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and if you have more time, then you can also explore places like Sonmarg and Gurez Valley. What is the best season to visit Kashmir? So, Kashmir is a year round destination and is beautiful, but it really depends on what you want to see. So, I'll be breaking down the seasons for you. So, spring that usually starts from March to April blossoms with a lot of flowers in the valley and is a perfect picture for nature lovers. Also, the Kashmir Tulip Festival takes place around the same time, which has breathtaking views. The summer month starts from May to August and has green meadows and is with its pleasant weather is perfect for outdoor activities like trekking. Whereas the autumn month starts from somewhere mid September to November. The whole Kashmir is of the color orange and gold. It's a spectacular view to watch. It is less crowded and peaceful during that time and is perfect for photography. Whereas the winter season starts from end of November to February and is perfect for snow adventures, skiing, and snow activities. So, there are three easy ways to reach Srinagar in Kashmir. First is to fly from any of the major cities. There are a lot of flights connecting to the Srinagar airport. Second is you could either go by road via the Manali or Jammu highway. Third is there is a direct train from Delhi to Srinagar, that is Vande Bharat. It is a 13-hour overnight sleeper train. So you can choose any which suits your preferences. To have a memorable and stress-free Kashmir trip, plan your trip with Holidayfy's packages. A package includes all your transfers, hotels, tickets, and tours. Browse through the packages that align with your interests, and we will connect you with travel agents who will use their expertise to plan your perfect trip. I will also be mentioning very useful tips at the end of the video that you must know before you travel to Kashmir. Start your trip by landing in Srinagar, the best connected city in Kashmir by flight, car, or train. While in Srinagar, you can indulge in these activities. Take a Shikara boat ride on Dal Lake or Nagin Lake to explore the floating gardens, lotus farms, and the charming Meena Bazaar. Then stay in a houseboat, which is a must do experience to enjoy the cozy and relaxing experience with spectacular views. Then you can also explore the Mughal gardens, which is a beauty in itself. You can also end your day with a hot cup of kawa, also known as the famous Kashmiri tea, and some local delicious food. Next, head to Pahalgam, a 2 to 3 hour drive from Srinagar. On the way, you can also stop at Pampur, known for fresh saffron and dry fruits. In Pahalgam, you can explore the following: Betab Valley, known for its movie like scenery and nature walks. Next, Aru Valley, which is famous for hiking trails, trekking, and also camping at night there. Thirdly, you can also indulge yourself in a picnic or fishing by the riverside. Fourth, you can take a pony ride or trek to Baisaran Valley, famously known as the mini Switzerland, to enjoy the amazing viewpoints. Though the way to the valley is a bit difficult, so trekking is not the best option. Lastly, you can indulge in some shopping and trying local food at the market. Also, tip here that spending 2 nights is highly recommended because one night is not enough to cover all the things that are mentioned above. Now let's head to Gulmarg, known as the Meadow of Flowers in Kashmir skiing paradise. In Gulmarg, you can do the following. Firstly, you can take a gondola ride. Always remember to book 1 month in advance through the official website or through a trusted tour operator. You can also take a ticket to phase 1 if you're visiting in winters, as you can experience snowfall even there. But if you're visiting in summers, it is always recommended to take the ticket up to phase 2 if you want to enjoy the snow views. Next, you can always indulge in some winter sports such as snowboarding and skiing. And if you are someone who wants to learn skiing, you can also hop into one of the skiing lessons there. Another thing to do there is visit the magical frozen Darang waterfall during winters for stunning Instagram posts. A tip here that if you want to stay in Gulmarg, remember that Gulmarg stays are very limited and sell out very quickly, so book early. Just in case if you do not find a stay in Gulmarg, you can also stay in Tangmarg, which is just a 30 minutes drive away from Gulmarg and has plenty of stay options. Have extra time? Then take a day trip to Sonmarg, famous for its majestic glaciers and snow-covered mountains. In winters, you can visit the Thajivas Glacier and indulge in snow activities such as sledging and snow play. Whereas in summers, you can visit here for trekking or for a pony ride and click amazing pictures in the beautiful meadows. Or you can also visit Zero Point, which is a viewpoint between Kashmir and Ladakh. Kashmir isn't just about popular places like Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and Srinagar. It is also home to a lot of hidden gems worth exploring. Visit Yusmarg, famous for picnics and pine trees. Dudh Patri, known for its crystal clear streams. Gurez Valley, also close to the LOC, is famous for amazing mountain views. All these places are true hidden gems for nature lovers. These offbeat destinations are perfect for anyone who's looking for peace, adventure, and unforgettable experiences in the heart of Kashmir. Like I promised, here are some tips for your trip. Firstly, prepaid SIM cards do not work in Kashmir. Either get a postpaid SIM from BSNL, Jio, or Airtel, or get one at the airport. Secondly, your private car would only go up to a certain point in Gulmarg, Sonmarg, or Pahalgam. From there onwards, you will have to hire a local union taxi with no chain, as it's a safety rule issued by the government. Thirdly, Kashmir is peaceful now, but you will still get a lot of security checkpoints, so do carry a ID proof and avoid going to places which are restricted. Fourthly, if you are booking anything, remember to book your tickets week in advance, especially in the peak seasons of summer and winter, as it gets very crowded, and also visit these places in early morning slots. Again, if you want a better experience for a houseboat, then try booking your houseboat on the Nagin Lake rather than on the Dal Lake. And lastly, carry enough cash, as there are many remote places in Kashmir which do not accept cards as payment. Thank you for exploring Kashmir with us. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment below for any of your questions or feedback. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our travel community. We've got more exciting destination tips and itineraries coming your way.